Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today video title is guys, how can we disable Find My device? Friends, you want to disable your Find My device in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you disable it? In this video guys, I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so friend, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. And first of all open your phone setting to disable your Find My device. Then we will scroll it, and guys you can see this type of settings. So as you can see guys, your password and security setting, can tap here, guys click on your security system. Then guys you can see guys your Find My device setting. So as you we call it guys Find My mobile also some phones. And guys you want to disable, so as you can disable from here. So guys you can see this icon, guys tap here to disable. After disable guys you can see true setting will remove on here, and guys you can see turn on Find My device, so that you can find, lock or reset this device if it lost. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable Find My device. So that's it again, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye.